All right, Leanne Cusack has promised a dream renovation today. Let's see what you are so excited about, Leanne.
I think you're going to be excited too, Patricia. It's a dream renovation. Okay, for most of us, it's a fantasy renovation, but even if you can afford only to make a couple of changes to enhance your home, you will love seeing what Steve Barkhouse and the Amsted team have done with this home. Steve, you are in a West End neighborhood in Ottawa, and this is spectacular. Sort of fun for you to show this one off, hey?
It sure is. It encapsulates every type of renovation all in one, so it's wonderful that way. And we are seeing about a 70% increase in people looking for additions, and this includes an addition, so it's hopefully right up the alley for a lot of people.
Look at you catching some rays there against the front or the back of the house.
It's gorgeous.
Let's show. I think that this is perfectly timed, this spring renovation. This is the before, and you truly blew the roof off.
Yeah, sure we did. We had a small second story up there, had 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and we popped the top, changed the facade to make it more in keeping with the neighborhood. We've gone with the craftsman style, added a master ensuite with washroom and walk-in closet, plus 2 other bedrooms and a laundry room and 2 other bathrooms, Jack and Jill. So really improved it. What we didn't do was add an addition on the back and take up the beautiful backyard. So there's the before story of the backyard, and then the after. So we kept that craftsman theme all the way around. So the front elevation and the rear elevation are really both really incredible, and provided room for that backyard oasis that you see that was so wonderful in the last summer of lockdown, and got the family all together.
Really breathtaking renovation. Oh my heavens. I mean, and we'll get to the price at the very end, but let's just show the kitchen.
Yeah, so your small kitchen, very dark, had the tile countertops, which were impossible to keep clean. So we opened up the walls, opened up the kitchen, gave it a bigger footprint. You can see, added some windows. I love the bench seat at the far end with the window, really comfy for watching television. You see the red theme and the blue and the white throughout the house. I want a quick shout out to our friends Jason and Denise at Style House, who helped us with the interior design. That's the other side of that gorgeous island. The whole family can sit up there and snack. You can see the casual dining room in behind with the open area, and then a living space beyond that. We've got a before of the living space. That old fireplace, the big brick, really overpowered the space and made it feel close and not really comfortable. The glass block really dated it. So we changed that up, opened up the wall to the hall, which leads down to the in-law suite, to the home office, a couple of bedrooms. But it really makes the room feel generous. We got the television above the fireplace, the built-in bookcases, so lots of storage, and really a comfortable place for the family to hang out.
Now, this is coming up. This is sort of for any dog owner, especially in the spring. You have a feature to share that's another wow.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. But any big family, which this is, needs a great mudroom. And you can see the door to the garage on the right. There's a pantry in the door and behind, but they've got some cubbies and a bench to sit at. Lots of storage space there. They can go directly into the pantry or the kitchen with the groceries from the garage. And then here's the feature that you're talking about, the dog wash. We got a raised dog wash, so the pup jumps in there, give it a quick wash, and away it goes. You got the wand, the water wash wand there. Everything's waterproof, so a little spray doesn't matter. And then something that I love, the second floor laundry, really generous space because, again, we were able to take advantage of that ground floor footprint. Really generous, bright. It's got the washer dryer, some hanging space, some place to do your ironing, folding, everything all in one. So again, with a busy, big family, this is something that you need.
So what is the renovator's terminology? This is a home on a great lot with great bones, and then you just really essentially transformed it. Is this a renovation the family had been planning for some time?
Actually, we've been working with the client along with Style House from their old home. We tried to renovate their old home and it just didn't work. So they purchased this home with the intention of transforming it. So we popped the top, did a whole home renovation, and again did the outside oasis. So it was spectacular. A lot of fun.
Pop the top. So when you think you can't expand out back, move on up. Now, Steve, I did call it a dream renovation. So the price tag reflects that incredible backyard, all of the incredible changes. Would you care to share the price?
Yeah, it was around 800,000, which is a lot of money. I grant you that. But the prices of houses right now, you try to move somewhere, get anything like this, it actually was a very valued value-driven proposition for the homeowners.
You froze at value-driven proposition, I believe, but we want to thank you so much for sharing this, because the quality of the light, just the space, the flow, the everything. So this family got everything they wanted with this renovation. When we come back, we're going to simplify life. You're going to share one of Steve Barkhouse's magical checklists for spring. So the to-do list, something everyone can afford, yes? We'll be back with Steve in a moment. Thanks, Steve.
We heard the price and we cut him off, but what a fabulous renovation. Looks amazing.